Text my friend. Got another one. Not really, but one here and there is all I need, you know. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. I texted my friend yesterday. I said, hey, how many of those trout did I give you? He said between 8 and 10. I could have told you that. I wanted to know how many. Yeah, exactly how many, yeah. Because I think it was 11 or 12. That one? Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's a trout. Huh? That bayou thing. Don't hurt. Might as well. Tide's moving so damn much. Casting towards the shore. Aye, motherfucker. Oh, don't you slip out, you son of a man. That one I cast it out towards the channel.
Towards the channel?
Yeah.
They're probably on the outside of that grass. You just steady reeling or you letting it set too?
I'm doing a little popping, but not all the time, not constantly. You know, I do a little popping, yeah. Then I do a little reeling. Figure out what works, you know. Fucking swallowed this one.
What's that?
He swallowed this one. You gotta calm down, bitch. Yeah. Woo, nice one. About here where I caught this one. About right here where I just caught this one. Oh. Better calm down, bitch. gotta net him. Oh. Oh, there you go. Ooh,
Damn, boy.
that boy jumped. Oh God, I'm gonna lose him. 'Cause I don't know what the. No, don't. Oh God, I'm gonna lose him. He's back in the water. My nuts. Oh God.
Put them in my net.
I got him.
What I said, I got 6.
Yeah.
You got 5?
Yeah. Actually, I got 6. You got 5 because you stole my fish. I'm not playing with you, know. I might take all your trout today. I don't know. I'm thinking about it.
You got guns on you. I ain't got no guns, bro. So you got cops, man.
I've given you fish, haven't I? Okay, then. You might go home empty-handed today. I'm not kidding, bro. I play a lot, but sometimes I don't play. I'm just kidding, bro. Everybody gonna know Chris Bailey. Oh man, that dude jumps in front of him. That's cold. Hey, where would y'all at? Give me a location.
Yeah, drop me a pin.
Drop me a pin.
Exact spot y'all was fishing.
Yeah.
How y'all cast it? How you work your load?
Oh! Get that net out. Get that net out. Net this one for me. Net them for me. Oh, bro. Come on now. That's what I'm talking about. Teamwork.
Put them in my bag?
Yeah, because they all coming to me anyway. Put them in your bag. Nah, unhook them. Nah, don't. I don't want to lose them. Just unhook them. Teamwork, baby.